Hi guys, this is a 2010 Mercedes-Benz A180. So I'm not sure what's wrong with this car. It shows transmission consult workshop and it has a check engine light, and if you hear the idle of the car, it sounds like it's a mess. If anyone knows what's the cause of this, you can see the vibration on my phone. On the seat, the car is actually shaking. If anyone knows what's the cause, please let me know. Thank you.